Hi guys, as you can see, I have a whole bunch of cardboard here. I am going to make a cardboard boat using cardboard and duct tape. And then we're going to try it out and see if it will float. I got my duct tape, I got a knife. I think we're ready to go. Here's an update. I've insulated my boat more, has a couple layers of cardboard. Now I'm going to go ahead and start spraying on this sealant to seal up any holes so no water gets in. Let's get to it. As you notice, I'm wearing gloves and eye protection. This does pretty strong, so I'm outside, nice airflow. We don't want to get a little tipsy or anything. So, let's take a look. As you can see, it's kind of moist looking, so hopefully that doesn't ruin the structure of my boat. So now we're ready to start spraying the bottom. Let's start putting this on. If I run out, it's alright. I got another can. Finished up my boat. I got it double layered, triple layered in spots. I got my boat painted, as you can see. Look at these awesome flames on there. Whoa! Pretty awesome. I got the bottom covered with my sealant. Help keep out the water. Paint to help protect the cardboard. Well, let's go try it out on the lake. Look, I made it to the beach. Well, to a little pond. Let's try out our cardboard boat. This can be awesome. I think it'll hold up for a while at least. So let's try it out and get in the water. Coming in, guys.
Don't rip out the bottom.
Paddle.
There's a paddle.
It's working. Look, we're out in the open sea. Hey, it's floating. You got a paddle. You got a paddle on that side. Here, you hold the camera. Oh, I'm sinking more. What's going on?
Hello. Hi.
Paddle on that side. Look here.
That's camera only. And this is.
What? There's water coming in? Let's see.
Wait, no, you can't do it.
Now we're turning.
Oh no! We're sinking.
There's a hole on my side too. Leo, what did you? Leo! We're sinking. I'm sinking. We need to go out. We're sinking.
Sinking.
Let's go out further! Yeah! Wait! Oh, it's lifting! Totally ripped! No! Turn on! I'm sinking! I'm sinking! Please! We're sinking! Joseph!
It sunk. Look, it sunk.
Your cardboard boat didn't work.
It only lasted about 3 minutes. With 4 people, that's pretty good. So if it was just one person, it would last quite a while. Or if I wasn't in there.
Look at my gun.
Let's see your guns work.
The bottom's totally good.
Well, guys, it lasted about 3 minutes. It didn't work as long as I thought, but anyways, the Flex Seal didn't hold as long as I thought it would. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, share, and comment, and we'll see you on the next video.